Hi, and welcome back again to the coding manual. And today I have taken the problem of add digit, and we can do it easily by dividing each digit and adding them, and then making that as the actual digit until it turns to the single digit. But the problem says this one, and I could not figure it out, and then I saw the actual formula or actual logic behind, and it says like that number is divisible by 9, then you have to then the answer will be 9, and if it doesn't divide, it is not divisible by 9, then what we have to do is the remainder divided by 9 and then give the remainder. Now say like if num equal 0, then return 0. If num remainder 9 equal 0, then return 9, else return num remainder 9. Okay, so let's take 32, and 32 is added to, so 32 will be in the 5, so 32 divided by 9, remainder 9 equals 5. Okay, so this is clear. And then if we take 36, 36 is divisible by 9, so this would give 3 plus 9 is 3 plus 6 is 9, 3 plus 6. Okay, so this is pretty straight, and so actually return. Okay, let's see, then submit, done. Thank you.